Hi, you two.
Hi.
We're here at the Hawthorne Hill Nature Center to check out all the cool naturey stuff. And there's Ollie with a Pokeball. And this is what's on the other side of the teeny tiny parking lot here. They used to have a lot of trees in the way, so you really felt secluded from nature, but then they cut all the trees down, so you can see, oh, there's a road right there. Any good natured nature center has to have its nature center rules. It says take only photos, but I'm hoping video is allowed. Guess we'll find out.
I forgot about this place.
You forgot about this place?
I remember, because we were going here.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy.
The surprised fox. Dun dun dun. So there's where we came down. This is a very small nature center, but there's a lot going on. At the outside, and we'll go there soon. Look at the pond, because there's a pond out there and we're going to look at it. In the woods, and hey, there are woods too. This room is probably the biggest part, and this is where they host gatherings like for Earth Day. They'll have a lot of vendors with tables here. The history of Hawthorne Hill. That sounds like a horror movie. So what I didn't know is this nature center was originally a Girl Scout camp that opened in 1938. And then it says it fell into disuse. And so the city acquired it. And here we are today. They've got a lot of fun old photos of the Girl Scouts doing different activities here. Good times. And behind us here on the other side is the Children's Discovery Room, and that's where we're going. Well, we're already here, obviously. They're quick. It's a drawing you made, yes.
I don't know who it is, it's just a random person.
Okay, well, I like it. Exploration station. Let's learn about spring. Robins love spring. Foxes love spring. And you can do a spring-themed scavenger hunt. I'm going to do a spring-themed scavenger hunt. Fish. The elusive nature diorama. Here seen in its natural habitat. There's, oh. Well, he doesn't look too happy. And whatever that is, it definitely doesn't look too happy to be stuffed in here with the rest of them. Oh. And there's a squirrel down there. It's hard to see, but he's there. This door is never open, and I think that it's just for the people who work here. It's confusing because it says Underground Expedition, but then there's an arrow. So they're actually talking about this, which is right in the corner. It's really dark inside because it's supposed to be like you're underground. But let's go inside anyway, shall we? It's so dark in here. It is really very dark. This camera sees better than I do. Thank goodness I've got it, or I might never find the way out. And oh, wait, it's over here. Over here, this is cool. They've got a whole art cubby, including coloring pages like Ollie's doing right now. He's coloring a robin. And then here there are just a ton of books. So you can sit and read some books. Read the books in the cozy chair with all your buggy friends. Here you can be a bird and pretend you're an American crow or an American robin, because that's the costumes they've got. My kids have never tried this, and I'm wondering if it's actually that popular thing, because right now they've stuffed it behind the chair. There are different examples of different kinds of bird nests. And I honestly didn't know that they were all that different. I know some are different, but there is a lot of variety here. They don't actually make noise. That was my phone.
I saw the scissors inside.
Ooh, fluffy.
So I looked under the...
And then below all the nests, there's a little table where you can make rubbings. That is really cool. As you saw before, they have this cool tree. So you can go inside the tree and learn some tree things. Local trees. Trees and me. Trees give us more than 5,000 products in addition to shade and oxygen. See, trees are important. Inside a tree. It feels like I'm inside a tree too. How to plant a tree. But it doesn't actually... That must have been something they took out. Anatomy of a tree. Well, there's not a lot here to explain it either, but it's got something. You can kind of figure it out. He who plants a tree plants a hope. Life cycle of a ladybug. Where do I start? Oh, okay. Little eggs. Little thing. Larvae. Larvae. Ah, that's the word. And then it begins to mold. Oh, okay. Who needs a tree? Well, apparently a lot of things need trees. And then, here's how you get out of the tree. It's kind of short, even for me.
See all these circles? That's how many years old that tree is. And this is a yellow tree. Oh, this I'm pretty sure. Guys, come on. Let's take our hidey hole exit.
And then they have a board where you can build a habitat with all these little pieces. Let's talk about it. Yep, they've got Velcro on them. I built a habitat. What lives in a dead tree? Crow in and find out. I'm gonna go in the dead tree?
You gotta take off your shoes.
Yeah, you gotta take off your shoes if you go in the dead tree.
I got something. Let's try something. That's what I'm doing. You gotta check this down.
He's doing it. He's going in the dead tree. Whoa, man.
I used to love that thing.
I took my shoes off. I'm going in the dead tree. Oh boy. Not gonna lie, a little freaky in here. There are 4 types of webs. The orb web, the cobweb, the funnel web, and the sheet web. Now Lizzie's gonna show us how to make a web.
I am.
You sure are. I just said so. Is Lizzie a spider?
No.
Loop 'em, cowgirl.
The zipper was real. That was really wet. That's a cool spider web. Thanks. Oh. Yay! I only have 2 more fish left because one of them doesn't have. Yeah.
Good job. I didn't think you'd be able to reach that.
I just looked over. Mommy, can you help me?
You guys are sitting so quietly. Should I say anything or will I break the spell?
Hello. Hey, Mommy.
Hi, Ollie. What are you doing?
Calling a bird. You want to watch me?
Of course I do.
I forgot going here. Got one fish. Get. Oh no, I killed the fish with my legs.
Don't kill the fish with your legs, please. And when we go out the back, it gets all naturey. And there they go. Wait, Ollie. Wait. Out back here is where they have the Earth Day celebration every year. We didn't go this year because it poured rain. But it's usually a lot of fun. They have a live band, and they have activities for the kids. They have face painting, and I'd better get down to the dock because we're heading out on the dock already, apparently. Hey, look at the pond. I'm looking at the pond. Wow. There's a lot of stuff on that pond. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's lots of these little white puffs floating in the air. I don't know if it's milkweed or dandelions, maybe? Maybe dandelions. Ooh, pretty purple irises? Maybe? And little yellow flowers. I really don't know my flowers. There is water in there. That is a bird bath.
I was right. Also, I'm very thirsty, so
Caution, thin ice. It must be really thin ice. Here we have dandelions. See, I do know flowers. And then these are tiny purple ones. Did you just say you saw Slender Man?
No, what if we saw Slender Man?
Well, that would be something.
If I saw Slender Man, I would pick up a dead tree branch and poke him until he died.
That's good to know. There's a birdhouse out there for all those fancy birds that are too fancy for the trees. This would be just a little more peaceful if we were not right next to the road. Yeah. It's right there. Whoa. The beauty of nature. Two roads diverged in the wood, and I took the way my kids are going. It smells like Little Caesar's pizza. Huh. So here we've got another part to the pond. I'm not actually sure I knew this was back here. It's further away from the road. It's more peaceful.
We don't want to go off the path. We might get in trouble.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't know poison ivy if I fell over it, but it's a pretty clear path. I think it's going to be pretty easy to avoid. That's the way. That's the way, but I can lead the way. If you step where I step, I'll be fine. It'll be more like an adventure. Big jump. Good job. Walk, please.
We're back on land.
Whew. It says new people, new plants. And we're back. How'd that happen? Let's go inside. Lucy's thirsty. Well, we had a lot of fun. We saw a lot of nature.
Yeah.
And stuff. We learned a lot. Didn't we? What did we learn?
We learned, well, Ollie learned that each circle on a tree stump is how many years it is.
Uh-huh.
Well, Ollie learned that.
Yeah. And what did you learn?
That color by numbers are fun.
And I learned that Ollie's very impatient. No, I knew that. All right, we're coming, bud. So, bye, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Bye.